This is the community of American truck drivers. We make content for truck drivers.
와, 야, 와! 와. Watch it, watch it! Watch it! Alright. What do I do?
It ain't no way to motherfucking go around. Look at it. Watch it. This is the type of motherfuckers y'all behind trying to get out here and putting on the road. Motherfucker ain't got no common sense. Watch it. Look at this stupid ass. Look. Now watch the traffic around here. Ain't nowhere for you to fucking go. You see this shit? Nowhere to fucking go. And you want to rush to go around this motherfucker. I'm gonna let y'all see before he runs somebody off the motherfucking road. Look. Look at this shit. Look at this stupid motherfucker. Nigga, I'm not letting a motherfucker get over for shit. This is that stupid ass shit. You see this shit? Motherfucking Swift driver. Look at this stupid motherfucker. Y'all see this shit? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Let's see what he gonna do, y'all. Look at this shit. Look, he finna run a little quarter off the road. Look. Look at this shit. Y'all think a motherfucker be playing out here? I'm glad I can catch this shit.
From the Paul Winkler Investments WTN Traffic Center.
24 East, right before Waterbury Gateway. Back was into the left lanes are blocked here. This for truck spinning now. 24 West and West Break on 24 East.
See you falling.
Self-flooring by offering free installation or free labor. Right, but then you hear buy one room flooring and then get 2 rooms for free. The gimmicks like these are used to lure you in. Then you may get a low quality floor or get charged double for something else. I mean,
I be trippin' if a motherfucker up on the board. I be lippin', I ain't war. I got a nigga catch a stub and I'm dippin'. Give a fuck about that bitch.
Hokie at 50,
One down, 30 to go.
The boss man says this morning, he says, hey, you think maybe you could go one day without fucking up? I said, absolutely, boss man. I said, let's start that tomorrow though, because I'm not sure that today's fuck up's already been penciled in.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up. And that's fucked up. And
When I'm out there, wild boys, blunts and fillets. When I'm out there, late boys, raps and switches. I'm not wrong to this. I'm wrong to this. I go with up, crazy up, cause it's gangsta kid. I'm not wrong to this. I'm wrong to this.
And over-the-road drivers want to bitch and complain about us city drivers. But look how hard he's struggling, and there's a lot of room to be able to back into this, and he's struggling, and there's no reason for him to be jackknifing this in, and he's way the freak off. I don't think he knows what the heck he's doing. This is ridiculous.